high-speed 3D printer filament machine. And the new models, you can see the color and the design is completely different. We also use the quickly open die head to clean the color and change the color and clean the material. That will be more easy. We use the glass cover to protect the water. This is the hot water and the high-speed lens. The total water tank is around 4 size. 2 hot water and 2 cold water. For the cold water, we add the cooling system online. That means you can cool down the raw material, you can cool down the water directly on the machine. Don't need to installation the chillers. And this is a high-speed machine. The capacity is around over 30 kilogram per hour. We also add the oven to dry the raw material here. The dryer it can blow the hot air. The tolerance is also good. This is a really high-speed machines. So the space and the long is around 18 meters. We use a 2-station winding unit. You can check the speed and the winder is very neat. All the machines and the sighting is a new design. Is around 200 meters per minute. We also changed the winding system. Our winding system can winding the filaments very quickly, around 600 RPM, to winding the filament immediately. You can check the winding speed. The winding speed is 700. That means maybe you need a half minute to get 1 spool roast. The rotating speed is 700 RPM per minute. So that means you can winding the 1 spool is 350 meters per minute. That means 1 minute is 1 spool. And we also add the chiller system. See, we can control the water tank temperature is around 70. It's around 70. So that means you don't need to installation the chiller. That is the new design and the good option. It can save you your water consumption. This is our new type machine and the high-speed 3D printer filament machine. And you can see all the machine models is already changed. If you need the normal speed, we also have. Welcome to contact us. This is the new type model